Good morning, children. Uh, I am Miss Vidushi from NLK Group of Schools, and welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to learn about comparing numbers, and we are going to do exercise 3 in our book. So, children, all of you open your maths book and open page number 9, that is exercise 3, and today we will do this exercise. All of you open your book, page number 9. Okay, now we are going to start with question number 1. Okay, all of you read question number 1. Color the box with a bigger number of objects. This question means you have to color the box which is having the greater number of objects. आपको दो बॉक्स यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं. Here two boxes are given and you have to color the box in which there are more objects, जिसमें ज़्यादा objects हैं. So first we will count the object, after that we will color. Okay, first we will count the object of first box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this box there are 8 objects. Now we will count second box, objects of second box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this box there are 6 objects. So which number is bigger, 8 or 6? Yes, number 8 is bigger. So we will color this box. So you all are having colors with you. Color this box in your book. You all are having colors with you. So you can color this box in your book. Okay. Now come on part B. Here some ice cream sticks are given. You will count the objects in first box and then you will count the objects in second box. And same as we have done in part A, the box which is having the more object, you will color that box. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this box is having 7 objects, and this box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this box is having 8 objects. So which one is greater, 7 or 8? Yes, 8 is greater. So now in part B you will color this box, second box. Okay. In the same way you have to do part C, D and E also. Understood, children? So children, we have completed question number 1. Now we have to do question number 2. Question number 2 is circle the bigger number. Here 2 numbers are given. You have to circle the bigger number. यानी कि आपको bigger number पे circle करना है. Okay. So one example is given here. Part A is already done in your book. See, 9 and 2. Two numbers are given. One is 9 and one is 2. So which is bigger? Which is bigger number? Yes, 9. So you have to circle 9. Now come on part B. Two numbers are also given here. 8 and 1. Two numbers are given. Okay, bigger कौन सा number है? 1? No. Yes. 8 is bigger. So all of you will circle the number 8. Come on the C part. Two numbers are also given here, 13 and 20. 1, 3, 13. 2, 0, 20. So what you have to do? Circle the bigger number. Is 13 greater than 20? No. 20 is greater than 13. So 20 is bigger than 13. So you all will circle the number 20. Now come on the D part. 7 and 17. Which number is bigger? 7? No. 17. Yes, 17 is bigger. Now come on the number part E. That is 14 and 17. So 1 4 14, 1 7 17. Which number is bigger? 17. So all of you will circle number 17. Now come on part F. Two numbers are given, 5 and 16. You have to circle the bigger number, and here the bigger number is 16. So all of you have completed question number 2 also? Yes. Now come on question number 3. Circle the smaller number. Now अभी तक हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे? बिगर नंबर को सर्कल कर रहे थे ना. Now we have to circle the smaller number. Now come on part A. 7 and 6. One example is given in your book. It's already done. 7 and 6. कौन सा number smaller है? Yes, 6. That's why 6 is already circled. Now come on part B. 8 and 10. So which number is smaller? Yes, 10 is smaller than, 8 is smaller than 10. Now come on part C. 20 and 10. In this, which number is smaller? 1 0 10 is smaller than 2 0 20. 10 20 के पहले आता है ना. 10 20 30 ऐसे होती है ना काउंटिंग्स. So 10 is smaller than 20. D part. 6 and 16. Which number is smaller? Yes, फर्स्ट कौन सा नंबर आता है? 6 आता है, बाद में 16 आता है. So 6 is smaller than 16. 19 and 17. In this, 17 number is smaller than 19. Come on part F. 9 and 12. Which number is smaller? 9 or 12? Yes, number 9 is smaller than 12. Okay, all of you have done with question number 3. Very good. So children, now you have completed question number 3. Now we are proceeding with question number 4. So question number 4 is put a tick on the biggest number. You have to put a tick on the biggest number. Now in question number 3 and 2, only 2 numbers were given. Now but in question number 4, 3 numbers are given. 1 2 3. 3 numbers given है. So now you have to tick on the biggest number. इन 3 numbers में से जो सबसे biggest number है उसको tick करना है आपको. So first number is 8, 3 and 4. 3 is smaller, 4 is smaller than 8. So 8 is the biggest number. So you will put tick on 8. Now come on part B. 3 numbers are given here, 10, 5 and 0. So which is the biggest number in these 3? Yes, 10. So all of you will put tick on 10. Come on part C. 15, 6 and 16. Which number is biggest in these 3? सबसे biggest number, सबसे बड़ा number कौन सा है इन तीनों में? Yes, 16 is the biggest number, so you will put tick like this. Now come on part D. 17, 16 and 15. Which is the biggest number in these 3? Yes, 17. Now come on part E. 20, 1 and 10. Which is the biggest number in these 3? 1? No. It is the smallest in these 3. Yes, 20. 20 is the biggest number. So you will put tick on 20. Now come on part F. That is 9, 19 and 20. We have to find the biggest number in these 3. Yes, 20 is the biggest number. So you will put tick on 20. Now come on question number 5, children. Put a cross on the smallest number. Till now we are putting tick on the biggest number. Now we have to put cross on the smallest number. अब हम लोग को क्रॉस लगाना है जो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है. So come on part A, 13, 3 and 5. Which is the smallest number? Smallest means सबसे छोटा. Which is the smallest number in this? Yes, 3. So we will put cross like this. 10, 15 and 5 in part B. 10, 15 and 5. Which is the smallest number? 5. Yes, so you have to put cross like this. Now come on the part C. 20, 10 and 15. 20, 10 and 15. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 10 is the smallest number. So we will put cross on 10. Now come on part D. 9, 19, 8. 9, 19, 8. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 8 is the smallest number. So we will put cross in it. Now part E. 12, 13, 14. 12, 13 and 14. 3 numbers are given here. So which is the smallest number? 12. Yes, so we will put cross on 12. Now come on the last question. That is part F. 18, 17 and 11. 18, 17 and 11. Which is the smallest among these three? Yes, 11. So you will put cross like this. So now we have completed exercise 3 in our book. Hope all of you have done with this. So we will meet in our next class. Till then, bye bye. Thank you, children.